viewers, yeah, it's Relic here, and oh, Marcus Allen, yeah, it's Relic here. We're going to make rock cakes. Right, so what you want is 200 grams of self-raising flour, right? So it says on the packet, you know, yeah, self-raising. So 200 grams. Now the most important ingredient for me in the rock cakes is this, mixed spice. Don't even start if you've not got any. So we want a quarter teaspoon ish in there, like that. And then, oh, I do like the smell of that. And then we're going to add a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. There we go. Now, 110 grams of unsalted butter. Now you're going to have to rub that in with your fingers and thumbs until it resembles breadcrumbs, okay? Yeah, viewers, it does help if you cut the butter into small cubes rather than just put it in a big lump, to save you a lot of time and a lot of work if you cut butter into small cubes. But as you can see, there you go, that resembles a crumb mix. You've got crumbs there now. I'm not bothered about some of the big pieces. So we're going to move on to the next step, okay? Okay. We're going to add 130 grams of, I use sultanas. You can use mixed fruits, put mixed peeling, you can use currants, raisins if you want. I use sultanas. We'll stir that in and then add an egg, a beaten egg. Right then, we've mixed the fruit into the flour and the spice, a bit of salt in there as well, and we're going to add now 50 grams of caster sugar, okay? Stir that in. Now, in the middle here, I'm making a bit of a pocket, and I'm going to add, I've beaten an egg with 2 tablespoons full of milk. So we're going to just add that in there, and just very gently now we're going to fold, and I said fold, you don't have to be hard and fast, slowly fold the egg in until you've got a nice dough. Folding technique, just fold it over, turn it round and keep folding, just keep folding until you've got a nice thick dough, okay? And then we're ready to bake cake. Right then, I've got a baking sheet here, and then I'm going to just put some lining paper, baking paper on top, and I'm just going to put spoonfuls of the mix . Right, I've managed to get 7 decent size cakes there from the mix. You can use smaller spoons, you'll get a dozen out easy. Okay. So, put them on a cooling rack and leave them for a couple of minutes. I would definitely eat these warm. They're absolutely fantastic, these. So there you go. Very simple to do.